Everybody has a special place in our hearts for SCP. It has expanded into many stories and games about the mysterious anomalies that are presented within this universe. One of these games were SCP Unity. Today I'm going to talk about the cancellation of SCP Unity and the possible real reason why it got deleted. At the time of making this video, about 3 weeks ago, a popular upcoming SCP game called SCP Unity has officially declared its cancellation due to the lead developer having multiple health issues. He stated that his issues were so serious that he had to go to the hospital multiple times and that all these symptoms were caused by massive stress and overwork. Now, I do have to agree with him here. Health always comes first, and you should never overwork yourself too much for a game. But as soon as this news came out, major red flags were already being spotted by the community. Looking deeper into this, you'll have one question: why? Why cancel a game that already has had a ton of supporters on Patreon? Why cancel a game that has had multiple big YouTubers who've made videos on it to give it more recognition? This may sound cruel, but why cancel a game over one person's health? You had many developers in your team who are willing to continue this game but decide to cancel it because of your own health. Why not just take a break and let your team do some work for you while you're away? Many people are already uncovering the possible truth to this situation. On Twitter, you'll find a post made by a man named Beethovenus, and he explains that Zorner, that's the lead developer by the way, has had a romantic relationship with his top tier Patreon supporter named JLo. He states that she has poured money into the project, and in return he decides to date her and are now going to get married. JLo has had a reputation on the community of being toxic and starting drama on other SCP fan games. If this is true, then the victim isn't Zorner, it's a team of developers who spent countless hours on the game only for it to all be gone in just a matter of seconds. Many people have stated that all of this was just a cash grab and that Zorner ran away with the money. He could have easily gave another developer his game to continue it, but no, he decides to cancel the entire project and leave many fans angry, sad, and heartbroken that the future for another popular SCP game is now gone. We may never know the truth of what really happened. This could all be false and I just wasted a couple hours trying to make this video. But we do know that Zorner may not be as good as he seems, and I'm hoping that he comes out with the truth of what really happened. Alright guys, just wanted to say this before the video ends. There's a new team called Project AETHON, and they consist of the original team of SCP Unity developers, minus Zorner obviously, and they are willing to make new SCP games that focus on one SCP at a time. I think this is great that the original developers are willing to start over again but with a different approach. All I'm asking is if you can donate to their Patreon and join their Discord for new updates on their upcoming projects that are in the works right now. I will link their Patreon and Discord in the description. Thank you. Alright, this is the end of the video and you can click off now. The rest of what I'm going to say isn't related to the situation at all. This is my first video and some feedback will be good. All my videos won't be about SCP. I'll make videos about other topics and games that I enjoy. If you are still here, thank you for watching the video.